The first thing that I want to do is contamination check. We need to look at all parts of the car, how dirty it is. Because it's silver metal, from far distance it may look okay, but it's quite dusty if you look close. And the lower parts look contaminated too. I washed this car last weekend, but it looks dirty already. But it will easily go off because I applied wax for protection even on the wheels. This car is Toyota Innova and is almost 2 years old. And I haven't polished it yet, but I will try someday when I feel necessary and confident. Now this is the state of the wheel and the tire in sunlight. The more light you have, the clearer you can see. It rains quite often in Indonesia and cars can easily get contaminated. But YouTubers recommend us to wash cars once a week, not every day if possible, to reduce possibility of swirls. So I try to wash the car once a week as advised. But there's no water spot because I've been washing the car pretty gently and park it under the canopy. Since COVID-19, I did not want to go to car wash, so I had to wash the car at home. So I started to study proper way to clean the car, and now it became a hobby for me. In the very beginning, I didn't know about autodetailing and just washed this car with sponges. Therefore, I already made some swirls and there are some scratches too. And there's a regret that I didn't learn auto-detailing before buying this car. But better late than never. By the way, I'm using a budget-friendly LED flashlight. You can order it via online shop and it works pretty nice, although it seems to have a small battery in it. You can charge it and reuse it without buying batteries. I've been applying ice pass wax from Turtle Wax once in 3 months. And I also use ice spray wax almost every time I wash this car, and I plan to try other brands someday. For your information, I'm not a professional auto detailer, but I want to share my experience as a hobby. So please be kind to understand and leave a comment if you want to give any suggestion or advice. Now I see some dirt on the windshield, but don't worry, it's coated with Rain-X water repellent. Current temperature is about 30 degrees Celsius during the midday here in Indonesia. So I prefer to avoid 10 AM to 2 PM if I want to clean the car because it's very hot and it can cause water spout. Also, if you do it for hobby, I recommend to clean the interior and exterior on a different day. Because we need a lot of energy to finish it on the same day, especially if you're a beginner like me. Please like and subscribe for more videos and to support us.